Hi! Welcome back to The Corner TV with Rihanna. And yes po, meron pa pong The Corner TV. I decided to create and upload a new video right now so that Facebook will not treat my page as a dead page. So upload pag may time. And today is a jargon day. So I'll be talking about the most common terms or acronyms that we see in online selling. First, don't forget to like my page, The Corner TV with Rihanna, right here on Facebook, and also subscribe to my channel on YouTube, The Corner TV with Rihanna. And pag first time mo palang nanonood ng mga ibang videos ko doon, pero wag na lang, pero tsaka dati. But anyhow, subscribe and click on the notification bell. Pero kung gusto mo lang naman magkaroon ng update, and syempre, madagdagan yung 70 subscribers ko, char. Pero kidding aside, this is just for educational purposes lang naman to. Hindi naman to career talaga. It just happens na gusto kong gawin ito. So, thank you very much. I'm also on Twitter and Instagram. Just look for the hashtag TheCornerTV with Rihanna. Hello! How is everyone doing? And gusto ko rin po kayong kumustahin. I hope everyone is good and fine. Alam naman po natin na these times are just one of those challenging times that we have to face or endure. And I also good to see na yung iba nakaka-recover, and also we are just praying for someone or anyone that we know that are inflicted, and let's just wag na nating isipin kung ano sasabihin ng tao na ano, kasi we are easily judged. Yung alam mo yung it's a crime, even umubo ka lang, parang ganon. Pero hindi, huwag na natin isipin yung ganon. Basta importante, we are here to help each other. And also for those na nagsasuffer naman or still inflicted, we really hope and pray for your recovery, and also sa mga patuloy na lalabas, and then na importante na need lumabas, always stay safe po. So, in this video, we'll be talking about the most common terms. So, I decided kasi I myself, parang sabi ko, ano ba to? Nung nakikita ko, every time makikita ko sa Facebook page or sa groups, kasi nag-join din ako sa mga ibang online selling groups. So, nakikita ko talaga sila. So, parang I decided na gawa kay ako ng video kasi may mga items or terms na hindi ko talaga dati pa alam. So, parang interesting lang din. So, we'll start with the first one. This is the most common word. Just 2 letters. So, it's up. So, sa online selling, when you say up, it means that pag nakikita mo sa comment ng isang online seller or sa post niya, tapos may nag-comment na up, it's like treating the post as new. So, para hindi siya matabunan. For example, nag-open ako ng Facebook, tapos hindi ko alam na may na-post ka na pala. Syempre, minsan gano'n hindi mo nakikita agad. So, pag may nag-comment yan, mag-appear siya sa feed mo. So, makikita mo yung mga binibenta niya. So, just up. And then the most common acronym that we see is HM, which means how much. So, kailangan din natin malaman agad kung magkano yung price. In that way, kung pwede tayo tumawad, parang ganun. So, no explanations needed. HM is how much. So, let's go on to the next popular acronyms that we see in online selling. So, RFS. RFS is reason for selling. So this is quite for me, if I understand, this is most common in pre-loved items. So yung alam mo yung pre-loved na una mo siyang nabili, parang nagstay sa'yo ng ilang weeks lang or days. So, and pag even kahit naman hindi pre-loved, kahit brand new, pero i-indicate mo kung titinda mo siya, reason for selling, RFS, kasi yung para malaman ng buyer kung bakit mo siya ititinda. So, one example is, like myself, I ordered a shirt online. So, parang confident ako talaga na ganun yung size na kakasya sa akin. So, parang nung na-deliver na siya, parang, the following day, parang, ang laki-laki na niya. So, parang, alam mo yung overnight akong pumayat. Charing. Sarap. So, ganon. Reason for selling is, kung bakit mo siya ibebenta, like wrong size or unit or model upgrade, RFS. Next acronym is SSD, and this is common in online selling or live selling talaga. Parang nakakatuwa kasi recently, like kahapon ko lang siya nalaman kung ano, and I thank my teammate for that. Hi Kring. So, this one, SSD means screenshot done. So, pag sa live selling kasi, pag sinabi mong mine at saka SSD, ibig sabihin confirmed na sa'yo na yung item. And also, mine is the most common word that we see in online selling. So, mine, mine. So, pag ibig sabihin, pag sinabing mine, you are really interested on the item. And parang gusto mong sa'yo na, ikaw na yung bibili. So, pag sinabing mine at SSD, screenshot done, the item is yours and confirmed na sa'yo na talaga. So, parang yes po, next product po tayo. So, ito po, meron tayong phone right here. Nabili pa to noong 2017. May 1,000 gig. So, hindi pa siya nagagamit pa. Mine na lang po. Mine. Mine, SSD. Okay po, confirmed, no cancellation. So, next product na po tayo. Yon, SSD, screenshot done. Next, LF and FF. LF means looking for. So this is the acronym that the buyer uses or ginagamit niya sa comment ng post ni seller. So I'm LF handbag or LF Wi-Fi, prepaid Wi-Fi, looking for. You're looking for that specific item. And FF means following. So, pag ikaw na buyer, if you want to receive updates or any deals na pwedeng i-offer ni seller, or if you want to receive notifications on that specific or products that you are interested. So, parang i-follow mo lang siya dun sa post. FF, LF, and FF. Next acronyms are MOP and COD. MOP means mode of payment. So these are the ways in which the buyer can choose on how the payment should be done, or the preferred payment methods or mode of payment that the seller specified on her page, kung meron man siyang page. So it would be GCash or cash or remittances or online transfer. So ganon. That's mode of payment. And for COD, this is cash on delivery. So, ibig sabihin, babayaran mo lang talaga siya pag dumating na yung item. And this also applies sa meetups. Halimbawa, yung nag-meet up kayo, tapos dun mo na babayaran si seller. Cash on delivery. So, MOP and COD. Finally, the last three common acronyms that we see in online selling that are featured in this video are SF, HF, and LOC, or location. So, HF, which means handling fee, and SF, which means shipping fee or delivery fee. So, similar lang talaga sila. They are both fees that are applied on top of the item that you want to buy, or on top of the price of the item. For handling fee, this applies mostly in meetups. So, seller will apply a rate for the handling fee because ito, alam mo yung personally delivered talaga siya, na magmi-meet lang talaga kayo sa agreed location. So, parang personally or hand-delivered ni seller. So, kasi ako, halimbawa meet up kami sa SM Aura, so namamasahe pa po ako kasi nakatira pa po ako sa likod. Charot. So, I will apply 500 pesos charge. So, joke lang. So, yun yung handling fee na i-apply or rate ni buyer on meetups. So, the next one, SF or DF, that's shipping fee or delivery fee. So this is on top of the item or price of the item plus the rate kung depende kung anong courier yung ginamit ni seller, na parang doon mo ibibase kung magkano yung shipping fee. And also sa COD pala, this applies kasi sa COD, cash on delivery, hindi lang sa through a courier. Yung COD, it will also apply sa meetups. So, pwede mo ding doon na bayaran yung cash or yung item doon nung magkita kayo. Parang yun din yung ibig sabihin. So, and the LOC is location. So, tinatanong minsan ni seller kung ano yung location ni buyer kasi para ma-estimate or ma-check or parang ma-estimate niya, ma-assess kung gaano kalayo ba si buyer or parang na-estimate niya kung magkano yung babayaran sa mga delivery fee or shipping, or kung malapit lang naman pala sila, pwede silang mag-agree sa meetup, parang ganon. So, that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video and I really appreciate it. It really means a lot to me that at this point of the video, nandyan ka pa, you're still watching. So I just truly feel na, alam mo yung may nakukuha ka sa pag-video kong ito. So, salamat sa'yo. So, that's it. Thank you for watching. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to like my page and subscribe to my channel, The Corner TV with Rihanna. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.